Hello class, welcome to Writing for Academic and Professional Success Unit 2. Unit 2 is titled Genres and Types of Academic Writing. Today, let's see what are the different types of academic writing or different genres of academic writing. Genres of academic writing means different academic disciplines require different types of written works with the different approaches. In colleges or universities, normally in each and every disciplines or departments, different types of works are assigned, in which essay comes as the most prominent one, then research paper, then literature review. There are many such academic writing, and each disciplines are having their own selection of genres of academic writing. In this unit, we are going to see each and every genres and the specialities of that genre in academic writing. Let's take essay as the first one. Essay is an important or the most common academic writing performed in schools and colleges. It is defined as an academic essay written to answer a question or to defend an argument or an opinion on a topic with supporting evidence. So basically, it's an answer to a question or it's an investigation for some problems. And most often, essays are having keywords such as analyze, assess, compare, contrast, define, describe, discuss, distinguish between, elaborate, evaluate, examine, explain, illustrate, justify, state. All these words are different in nature, but it is having a common characteristic. Let's look deeper into the structure of an essay. An essay usually comprises three different types of paragraph. One introductory paragraph, three body paragraphs, and one concluding paragraph. These are the three types of paragraphs an essay contains. An essay starts with an introductory paragraph, and then second paragraph onwards we can call it as body paragraphs, and the final paragraph is called as conclusion or concluding paragraph. And as far as academic writing is considered, a 5-paragraph essay is the simplest format of an essay. Simplest format in the sense normally prescribed in schools or colleges. That doesn't mean we can't write an essay with 7 or 6 paragraphs. It is depending upon the capacity or the strength of the topic we are dealing with. So when we say a 5-paragraph essay, the first one becomes introductory paragraph and 3 body paragraphs and a conclusion. This is the optimum size of an essay. So these are the specialties of an essay. Essay generally contains 3 types of paragraph, and a 5-paragraph essay is considered as the simplest format of an essay. Now let's see how or what are the specialities of a research paper. Research paper is normally longer than essay. It provides detailed information on a topic with different steps like review, methodology, discussion, and conclusion. It analyzes a subject deeply in an elaborated manner, and normally a research paper is written with a particular style. Style in the sense it should have certain rules and it should carry certain rules and regulations in margin, font size, line space, all those things. Because when we publish a research article or research paper, it becomes the property of academic world. Or in simple words, it can be used by any researcher in the area from anywhere in the world. So it should have a fixed feature or a structure. Then only it will be utilized or it will be used in other countries or other experts in the academia. That is why it should have a certain style or documentation style. for the paper. And as far as we are concerned, Indians are concerned, we have two major documentation styles in research paper. We follow MLA or Modern Language Association style in humanities subjects and APA American Psychological Association in social sciences. So English, mass communication, history, Arabic, other languages follow MLA style because they are humanities subjects, and chemistry, mathematics, statistics, physics follow American Psychological Association style. They are social science subjects. And we will deal what is MLA, what is APA in next chapter in detail. Now just understand there are two styles for academic research papers. Now let's move to another genre of academic writing, namely proposals. What is a proposal? Proposal is what you present to explain objectives, purpose, methodology, and detailed plan of a project you are wishing to undertake. The main purpose of proposal writing practice is to demonstrate your ability to plan for future action. Proposal in the sense, we make a proposal for government contracts, or for everything there is a type of proposal. But when it comes to academic proposals, it is normally for projects and other tasks provided by governments. And we will write in a proposal that we shall carry out those works and we shall do so and so in this year, and for that we need a fund or rather we need support from the department. That is what proposal in academic scenario. There are proposals in all fields like uh, PWD or uh, court and all the revenue departments. We are submitting a proposal to the department. But in education scenario, most often proposals are written for obtaining some kinds of projects, especially to higher educational bodies like UGC, CISSR. There are many such funding bodies. Most often, proposals contain cover letter, title page, objectives, introduction, background, plan of action, proposal budget, such elements. That's not a fixed format, but these are the elements most common present in proposals. And now let's move to case study. What is a case study? Case refers to an individual situation, a particular case. Case study is very common in medicine, law, and social sciences because, as far as medicine or other science are concerned, if the student explains one particular case and what happened in that case, he or the student can use similar method in the present situation. That is why case study is very common in law or medicine. Case study is at the same time an approach to writing and a method of study, because when we check a case where what happened in that particular case, we can do the same in this case too. Like us, we can copy what happened in the previous case. That is why it's very common in law and medicine. For example, an advocate might refer to a case that was in Supreme Court in 2010 for the reference in the case of 2021. Then the judge can uh, give a verdict in the basis of that 2010 case. Or in the medicine, if one patient had the similar symptoms and similar problems, then doctor can also refer to that case and what happened in the previous case. Likewise, that is what case study in academic scenario. Case refers to, as I said earlier, an individual situation. And these are the most probable elements appear in a case study. Now we have review of literature and few other topics in academic journals. We shall continue in the next slide. Thank you. So here the question is, what is an academic writing? What are the genres of academic writing? What are the steps in writing an essay? What are the different paragraphs seen in an ordinary essay? And what is the size of, or rather, how many paragraphs are there in an ordinary essay, and what do you mean by proposal, what do you mean by case study, what are the elements involved in case study. These are the important questions from the part 1. Thank you.